It's Odin's first day in the bouncy chair.
Fun with survival. Switch your other hand up here. Come on, Rick. Show him how it's done. Oh, he's just wobbling.
He doesn't know what to do. 7.5 weeks. This might not be the best idea.
Why you gotta hate?
Oh, we figured if he'd check, see if he'd check it out.
Yeah! Do it again.
What you looking at, buddy?
Michael's chewing his bone.
It's too bad you scratched your cheek, buddy.
He's starting to kind of get it. I'm gonna help him to sit up a little bit. This is looking embarrassing.
Knuckles, Are you having fun, buddy?
That requires more training. I'm getting a little bit.
First attempt. He's the pro.
Or sleepy. He might just be a little sleepy.
What you doing, buddy?
Hi.
What you doing, buddy? I'm over here. What you doing? Hey, there you are. What are you doing? Are you having fun bouncing? Like, yeah, I'm tired.
I wonder if he realizes that he's moving that lizard thing.
I don't know. Woo!
A little burst.
What you looking at?
Ridiculous.
You gonna chew on your hand? Find your favorite toy? What you doing, buddy? Oh. Why aren't you using your legs? This is just too much for him. Usually he would just stand up.
There you go.
Oh, there you go.
Nice work, buddy.
There you go.
He's like, I have to live this whole thing. Hi, buddy. Knuckles wants in on the action.
I can see that.
Lay down. Come on, lay down. Good boy. Good boy, Knuckles.
Alright, well that was fun while it lasted.
Now he's sucking on his hand.